Okay, we've got it at about medium heat. The pan, let's throw a little, might be a little hot. Throw a little bit of butter. Probably too much butter, but all right. That's okay. Throw a little butter in there. We've got some chopped up leek and we've got some chopped up garlic. So we're gonna put them both into the butter, sizzling away. And literally like 30 seconds is all they really need to just kind of get the flavors out of the leek. Sorry, not the leek, the ramp. Out of the ramp and out of the garlic into the butter. And then just pour a little bit, however much egg you want, just right in there as well. So that's like maybe half an egg. Just going for a little treat today. And I like to kind of stir it all around, scramble it up a little bit. Gordon Ramsay would say to always scramble it around, kind of like making risotto, if you've ever made risotto. And just keep it moving on medium to low heat. And when it doesn't have any more wet parts to the egg, oh, look at that. Then you're done. Move that onto a plate. And I am eating wild ramps, garlic, and egg for breakfast. Actually, for lunch. A little bit of lunch. And if you're doing the same thing, bon appetit. The leeks are... They're out. It is spring. What a lovely time of year. Go harvest some for yourself and your loved ones.